Police are probing what might be a love triangle turned deadly following the killing of a man on Belvedere Road in Reading, St. Andrew on Monday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as 52-year-old Ishmael Seymour from East Avenue in Greenwich Farm, Kingston 13. Seymour is believed to be a licensed firearm holder. Observer Online has learned that the ex-boyfriend of Seymour's 27-year-old girlfriend is being sought as a person of interest in the killing. Reports are that around 1 p.m. the girlfriend was at home with her ex-boyfriend when Seymour, who was at her current partner, reportedly showed up and tried to gain entry. Police said the woman opened a side door and went outside to talk to Seymour when an argument developed between them. It reportedly became physical. It is understood that the woman fled to the back of the house, and shortly after 4 loud explosions sounding like gunshots were heard. She reportedly called out for help and, with the assistance of neighbors, returned to the house where she saw the now deceased lying on his back in an unfinished section of the home in a pool of blood. Residents summoned the police, who discovered Seymour with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the face and upper body. He was allegedly clad in multicolored shirt, black shorts, pink and yellow underwear, white slippers with a black gun also to the front of his waistband. Neither the ex-boyfriend nor a firearm was reportedly found at the scene. 5 gunmen reportedly held up and robbed a Chinese businessman of more than $200,000 at his business place on Sunday afternoon. The money was reportedly taken from the victim's supermarket at 3 Hills in Retreat, St. Mary. The businessman was not hurt during the incident, the police said. Information reaching Observer Online is that around 4 p.m., 5 men, all armed with guns, entered the establishment and robbed the businessman of cash amounting to $230,000. They reportedly also stole a cellular phone before reportedly escaping in a white Toyota Axia motor car. The police are investigating the incident.